Good afternoon, class. Today, we will be discussing the life and philosophy of one of the most influential thinkers of the 20th century, Jacques Derrida. Derrida was born in Algeria in 1930 and spent much of his early life there before moving to France for his higher education. He was a prolific writer, philosopher, and literary critic whose work has had a profound impact on fields ranging from philosophy and literature to linguistics and anthropology. One of Derrida's most well-known contributions to philosophy is the concept of deconstruction. Deconstruction is a method of literary analysis that seeks to uncover the hidden contradictions and assumptions in a text. Derrida argued that all texts are inherently unstable and that meaning is always in flux, depending on the context in which it is read. For Derrida, there is no such thing as a fixed or definitive interpretation of a text, rather, meaning is always open to reinterpretation and recontextualization. Derrida's approach to deconstruction has been criticized by some as overly complex and difficult to understand. However, his work has also been praised for its insight into the nature of language and its ability to reveal the underlying power structures that shape our understanding of the world. In addition to his work on deconstruction, Derrida also made significant contributions to other areas of philosophy, including ethics and politics. He was particularly interested in the concept of justice and the ways in which it is often tied to power and hierarchy. Derrida argued that true justice requires a radical rethinking of our basic assumptions about language and identity, and he believed that it was possible to build a more just and equitable society by challenging the dominant structures of power and privilege. While Derrida's ideas continue to be debated and discussed in academic circles, his impact on philosophy and critical theory cannot be overstated. His work has inspired countless scholars and thinkers to explore new ways of understanding the world, and his legacy continues to shape the way we think about language, power, and social justice. In conclusion, Jacques Derrida was a pioneering philosopher whose ideas have had a profound impact on the way we think about language, power, and the nature of truth. While his work can be challenging, it is also incredibly rewarding, and I encourage all of you to delve deeper into his writings and explore the fascinating world of deconstruction and critical theory. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to continuing our discussion in the weeks to come.